Meaning of damnable.
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 Damnable. Damnable means something that is deserving of condemnation or worthy of punishment. It implies that the thing in question is highly offensive, immoral, or damaging. The word is often used to describe actions, behaviors, or situations that are considered wrong or reprehensible. In short, damnable refers to something that deserves to be punished or condemned, typically because of its negative impact on individuals or society as a whole. It is a strong and unequivocal term that implies a severe judgment of moral wrongdoing.